Hey guys, welcome back. So I hope you're having a great day. Today's Tuesday. Bitcoin is still holding above 57,000, which is great news. And then I just wanted to give you guys a quick update on Argo, where I am with my calculations on that. I promised you guys I would do Argo, so I just wanted to show you that. And then I also want to talk to you guys about another story where I think might be advantageous to our miners, Argo. And then we have HIVE, HOT8, RIOT, bitfarms. Something they could take advantage of if they wanted to. I think could be a huge gain for them. So let's take a look at it here. So here's Argo right now. I still have a little bit more to go on it. So the video should be coming up here within the next day or two. I'm still digesting all the information. I still have, I think, roughly around 15 to 20 more news press releases to go through to make sure I have all the numbers correct. But then we'll obviously provide you guys with my projections on Argo as far as what's going on with them. And we'll add it to our miner comparison, miner versus miner. We'll do a video on that as well. So that should be coming up here in the next couple of days. So obviously subscribe if you guys want to see that. And then let's get into the one that I wanted to give a tip to the miners here. So I spoke about this yesterday in a video about Caruso saying that miners should be using the natural gas flares off from the oil mining fields to mine Bitcoin yesterday. And I think this is actually a really good idea. I don't know why why HIVE, HOT, RIOT, or bitfarms aren't getting into this. I know that they're all concerned about ESG, but I think this is a good way also to, use that energy that's just being wasted right now. So I think that would be actually a good thing. So I actually found a company that is doing it right now. So here's what it kind of looks like right here, right? So you get the gas flares coming off the fields, piping going into the facility here. It looks like they have a pretty sizable facility here. And then you have a generator in there to power this, right? So here's how it works. So Caruso Energy captures the energy from the flare gas at oil patches and uses it to mine Bitcoin. The company is now one of the U.S. biggest miners and has attracted investments from Coinbase. So obviously, everybody knows what Coinbase is, one of the biggest crypto exchanges here. The crypto world is increasingly focused on the climate, particularly after Elon Musk's criticism, right? So this was back in June of this year. But here's how it works. So Caruso mines Bitcoin directly on site. So how does it work? When oil companies drill for the black stuff, oil, obviously, they often hit natural gas too. Yet most drillers lack the infrastructure to sell the gas and so burn it off in a process called flaring, creating the distinctive flames above oil sites. This is where Caruso comes in. So here's one company that's actually doing it. It installs a piping system to divert the natural gas away from away from the flares into generators, right? They produce electricity, which is then used to power computers directly at the oil site. So the computers mine Bitcoin, that is. They solve complex, we know this, secure Bitcoin network, create new coins. And then here's what they do. They pay the operator for the gas that they use in our generators, providing them with an incremental revenue stream where they were previously flaring the gas for zero. So one of the things that might happen is the oil guys might get a little wise and be like, why aren't we not taking advantage of this? So they may actually start installing their own miners at their facilities where they're mining oil and mine Bitcoin. It's basically free energy for them after they install the generators and buy the machines and build out a little building for it. That's basically free money for them. They don't have to pay anything for electricity or anything like that. So I think it would be prudent for HIVE, RIOT, bitfarms, and what else did I forget? Somebody else in there, HOT8. To go after this. Why aren't they not really going after this? I think this could be an easy, it wouldn't be a solution, but it would be an easy way to add, obviously, income into their sites with far less price on electricity and everything else. They could come up with a deal where they just pay 5-10% royalties to those companies that let them use it, and still be far less, I think, than what they're paying right now for electricity and everything else. So just wanted to throw that out there to you guys. Let me know what you guys think excuse me, of that. But it is something that's, could be a good way to get rid of those gas flares and put them to good use. So I just wanted to throw that out there. Let me know what you guys think. If you think the company should get involved in this, or if because of ESG they won't do it. So that's all I got for right now. I got another video coming up here about what's going on with Bitcoin and crypto and everything else like that coming up. So that'll be coming out later on today, probably around in the afternoon. All right, so that's it, guys. Thanks a lot. Have a great day. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.